Light is an electromagnetic wave that can propagate in a vacuum as well as through other media. Light exhibits wave-particle duality, meaning it can be considered both a wave and a particle, photon. The speed of light in a vacuum is constant, approximately 299,790,458 meters per second. The speed of light in a vacuum is constant, approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. Depending on the wavelength, the spectral range can be further divided into the following regions. Ultraviolet UV region. Wavelengths range from 10 to 380 nanometers, including the vacuum ultraviolet, far ultraviolet, and near ultraviolet regions. Ultraviolet light is mainly present in sunlight and is widely used in sterilization, disinfection, and fluorescence detection, among other fields. Visible light region. Wavelengths range from 380 to 780 nanometers, corresponding to the electromagnetic radiation that can be perceived by the human eye. Based on wavelength, visible light can be further divided into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, cyan, and violet light. Infrared, IR region. Wavelengths range from 780 nanometers to 1 millimeter, including the near-infrared, mid-infrared, and far-infrared regions. Infrared radiation is widely used in thermal imaging, infrared cameras, remote sensing, and security monitoring. X-rays and gamma rays. These have even shorter wavelengths and possess high penetration ability. X-rays and gamma rays are important in medical imaging, material analysis, and security screening.